Hello and welcome to the channel. We are doing short vowel U, the sound of which is a, and we have done a b family. Today we are going to do a g family, which is U G family, some sight words and then sentences. Let's begin without further ado. A g. The first word of our ug family is bug. Now let's see if you can try and write down bug as I say bug. B, A, and G. So when I say B, I hope you wrote alphabet B. When I say A, you hear the sound of A, which is short vowel U. So I hope you wrote U, and it ends with G, which means alphabet G. So B, A, G. Bug. Dug. The sound produced by alphabet D, a sound produced by short vowel U, and then ending with a G. Now dug. When you dig something, the dog dug a hole. So dug. Bug and dug. Mug. M sound produced by alphabet M, a sound produced by short vowel U, ending with a G. Mug. Tug. T sound produced by alphabet T, a sound produced by short vowel U, ending with a G. Tug. The next one is rug. Just like your mat, R sound produced by alphabet R, a sound produced by short vowel U, ending with a G. Rug. And rug reminds me of shrug. You can shrug your shoulders like this, and then a shrug is also a layer of clothing. So shrug, sh sound produced by sh, and then combined with rug. So it becomes shrug. S-H-R-U, and then ending with a G. Shrug. Sight words. The sight words that we have today are again homophones. So the first word that we have is our. Our house, our parents, our pets. So our, O-U-R. Again, there's a V sound, but there's no V. So our. And sometimes it is also pronounced as R, but the correct pronunciation is our. The next one is our again. Now it starts with a H, but there is no sound of H. It is not hover. So there is no sound of H. This is a silent alphabet. This is our again, and this one is about the time. This is 1 hour, 2 hours. He was 3 hours late. So which hour is it? Not this one, this one, starting with the H, H-O-U-R. Now you hear V sound again, but there is no V. There is an H, but there is no sound. So these are confusing words, as well as these are used while we are writing and while reading. So our, that means it belongs to us, our things, and then this is about the time, hour. Which hour? So The first sentence that we have is the, our sight word, at cat, at sat, the cat sat on our sight word for today, rug, r, and g, rug. The cat sat on our rug. He, our sight word, W-A makes a sound of wa. Remember that? Was. He was. Remember this? This is the sight word that we covered in the last lesson. He was two, T-W-O. That means the numeric 2. He was 2 hours. So there's just more than one. So we put S in the end. So it is hours late. You can forget about this one. This does not have the short vowel A sound, and you have not done long vowel A sound, so you can forget this one for now. Just remember what we have to do here. He was 2 hours late. So we are referring to the time here. According to the context of the sentence, the meaning of the sentence, you will be able to figure out which hour to use. This hour is the rug belonged to them. This is that hour. So we're not going to use it the time hour. It won't make sense. The cat sat on our rug. And he was 2 hours late. I hope you understood. And we'll move on to the next family in the next lesson with more sight words and sentences. I hope they are not very hard on you. If they are, you can stop. Like, you don't need to do all the sight words here. I'm trying to make it easy for you when you will read the things, the books, and when you're writing. You know, these are the mistakes that are commonly made. Even if you make the mistakes, it's okay. But if you can learn them, if you can make sure that you know the difference in the two, then applying them is easier. I hope to see you in the next lesson very soon.